So, what's going on? Thank you so much for tuning in. Yeah, we also gonna talk about volcanoes later, the volcano activity, but now we will get right started because a asteroid passed Earth pretty close on January 3rd of 2021. That was 2 days ago to be exactly. That was on Sunday. This past Sunday, asteroid came pretty close. Everything you need to know about the asteroid, how big it is, and how close it actually came right now. So listen up. Asteroid 2021 AH flew past Earth at 0.13 LD. That's a lunar distance. How much it is, I will tell you right on. A newly discovered asteroid designated 2021 AH flew past Earth at a distance of 0.13 lunar distances or LD. That would be 0.00033 astronomical unit. And astronomical units of one would be the distance between Earth and the Sun. And yeah, this would be 49,367 kilometers or 30,675 miles. So closer than the moon. Yeah, from the center of our planet at 11:37 p.m. UTC on January 3rd in 2021. This is the second known asteroid to fly by Earth within one lunar distance since the start of the year. In 2020, we had 107 such flybys up from 77 in 2019, 76 in 2018, 55 in 2017, and 53 in 2016. The object was first observed at Catalina Sky Survey in Arizona several hours before its close approach to our planet. 2021 AH belongs to the Apollo group of asteroids and has an estimated diameter between 5.4 and 12 meters, 18 to 40 feet. So look, it's still the fact, like most of the space rocks, asteroids, comets, meteoroids, whatever is out there are known in our solar system, okay? But yeah, this asteroid right here was an exception again. It was found just a few hours before the close approach. And the problem is if a big asteroid is on its approach and we find it a few hours before its approach, then we actually have no time to warn the people and to evacuate other people. I mean, this asteroid right here, 5.4 to 12 meters, wherever it landed, so it could have been a local disaster. It could have injured many people, like the Russia asteroid that came down in 2013 and exploded in air. Windows were broken, people were injured. It was just more a local thing, but it was still pretty major if you compare it. And wherever it landed, if it would land on the ocean, then probably not that much would happen. Maybe a big wave would be maybe attached. Maybe I don't even really know if it could make. Depends. Like it's of course, if it would explode in air, this asteroid, like it most likely wouldn't came down on the floor because it's for that it's too small. But it could have, yeah. If it would explode in air, it would still be way more than any atomic bomb or like the Hiroshima bomb. Yeah, that would be way severe because I mean the Hiroshima bomb is nothing compared to, or it was nothing compared to the asteroids and even the Tsar bomb, which also exploded from humans. This was the biggest human-made explosion ever, if I'm not wrong. I hope I'm not wrong. But yeah, this is very interesting. It's still crazy to hear that we find these asteroids out there just flying by near Earth without us even knowing that it actually like it actually did a close approach. We just didn't know about this asteroid. We found it this year, yes, a few hours before its close approach. And I don't know, it's crazy to think about that. Yeah, because I mean asteroids are life ending. That's a life ending thing. It can actually lead to a mass extinction event. Okay, I think we all know about that, but not in the size of AH 20. I mean the asteroid NEO 2021 AH, not in that size, of course. But yeah, just what do you guys think about this? It's not a big asteroid. You could see it. You could like skywatchers could saw it, or maybe can still see it. In the skies, it would be near the sun, located near the sun for night sky watchers. And yeah, a little bit south east of the sun. No, northeast. Sorry, northeast of the sun. A little bit on top of the sun, or yeah, west of Mercury and Saturn and Jupiter, you would see it, or also near some other stars. But yeah, for skywatchers, this is a pretty good tip for everybody. So right now, its distance is pretty good. So yeah, now we are safe from it again. And I hope this will stay like this. If anything again comes near the Earth, I will of course update you guys with any more space rocks coming near Earth. Yes, that's basically everything I have to tell you. The magnitude, by the way, of this asteroid would be 75.29, just that you know. And yeah, you the location right now of this asteroid is like when you can see it the best right now, I think, would be in Greenwich in the UK, United Kingdom, latitude of 51 degrees and 28 and 47 north, and longitude of 0 in east, in the eastern side. Time zone, of course, Europe or London. Yeah. What do you guys think about that? I hope you know now everything about it. I don't want to do this, like I don't want to talk too long about this space rock, but it's still yeah, interesting, very interesting to see that such space rocks are just flying by without us even noticing just a couple of hours before. Imagine that would have been a asteroid that would hit Earth and it would be like, I don't know, 20 kilometers wide. We just would have been dead. We wouldn't had time to save ourselves in that time. That's crazy to think about. And yeah, just let me know in the comments what do you guys think about this, and that such asteroids are just flying by without us even noticing. Like the most space rocks are known in our solar system, but not every space rock. Okay, there are still space rocks that are flying by without us noticing them. So yeah. Okay, but I've talked for too long. Thank you for listening, and we will see us again later. Goodbye.